And action. Don't you smile. Doc, run in.
Don't attack me with the knife.
That stuff right there. You just hit it a whole lot more.
You guys should add effect. Like,
This one's gone. Oh, it's just flesh wound. Breathing. You hurt anywhere else? Look good. All right. That's great. Oh, tears going there.
Okay, stand by. Let's do this. Ready? Action.
Cup of water, $59.
Shane, Shane.
I know, and I tell Gregory to shave.
Why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you tell everybody else?
She didn't mean shave your head, Gregory.
Wait a minute till I say action. Okay, now sincere, go. Action.
We are gathered here together to meet these two young couples in marriage.
when I'm looking at you?
You're looking up at the preacher.
Okay.
Stand by. Action. Preacher.
Honesty, do you take Shane to be your lawful wedded husband? To have and to hold from this day forward, in sickness and in health, for better for worse, till death do you part?
Yes.
That wasn't...